I'm working on the mower deck for the hydro. I don't know if I showed you this before, but it says 854. Don't know what that's about. There's a sticker there, and one over there. But I just taking this this bit off that goes around. I'm just noticing in here. There's like these are There's like bushings in here. It's kind of neat. I thought it'd be like right on this rod would just be right on the bolt. But no, there's a bushing in it. It's kind of walled out a bit. But nevertheless, there's still a bushing, so that's kind of neat. But yeah, that pulley's seen better days. Someone's welded all this. Yeah, so I'm going to take this off so I can get all this rust taken care of, and then we can weld the holes. There's the deck. There's all the rust that I got out of it. Quite a few rust holes. So yeah, that'll be fun, fixing this up. And all these are frozen, so I got some penetrating oil on that. Try to get it freed up. So yeah, here are the blades, the little housing things. It's a spline shaft, like those right here. So these are the two. There are two bearings on each. So I have 4 off. These are the pulleys, still in good shape. The deck used to be, it was orange, because for an Allis Chalmers, and then they painted it white for this one, so they used the same decks for the orange deck tractors, and they just painted it white for this one. You can see the pulleys, the white paint has come off, and the orange is showing. Same with those and everything else. The blades seem like they've been replaced. They look pretty good. Just a bit of surface rust. These are the little caps that would go on the end. This one's the worst of them all. This is the best one. I guess it's been replaced. And this is another replaced one that's not very good. So like I said, the 2 bearings on each, so I have 4 bearings. I'll show you them now. Yes, this is what's left of these 4 bearings. You can see this one, they drove it right to the bare bone of it. But they're all seized. And this one's just, you can see all the junk that fell out. It all turned to rust in the bottom. Anyways, replace them. So yeah, this deck, we're going to have to put a lot of work in it to get it good. There's some cracks right there. There's one right there. And the rust. And the bearings. So yeah. Got a fuel filter to replace that one there. So I'll do that soon, sometime. I'm also going to need to replace these pulleys because this one doesn't turn. That's all it turns. And this one, yeah, it's not really good either. So yeah. I got my fuel filter and new gas line in. That's all new line running from there to the tank. The old stuff was hard as rock, so I couldn't use that anymore. A fuel filter, fuel shutoff, and into the fuel pump. Yep. Still looking for a knob. Can't find one of those. Might have to make one out of something. Wood or something like that. Over here, the mower deck. As you can see, I have some of this fabric. I'm going to attempt to do some fiberglass. So I bought some supplies and paint. I got most of the things off the mower deck. Stuff scattered around, but it's fine. I've got this Bondo-y stuff, so we're going to try that on it, see how it works. There's some fiberglass on it, just the sheets. Just waiting for paint to dry. That's what I used. The mower deck's all painted. I need to cut this bolt off because it's kind of wallered out there. Weld in a new bolt. The top's painted though. I've got new bearings, and these are painted. Got a bit more done here. That one's all in. I need a bolt though because the other one, it stripped, so I had to cut it off. This rod is in here. Need to get the front, that bit there, need to get that bolted down. And then those pieces. That's how far I'm going to get today. I still need a bolt for that. Still need to make up the little spacer things that go on that one and that one. Other than that, I need to fix that, paint that, then sharpen the blades, and then it should be working. I might touch up the paint, because I did do a little nick there and there and there while assembling it. But yeah, I think that'll be the end of this video. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and well, keep watching for the next video. That should be out soon. And yeah, just a last look at it. Pretty good for brush paint.